Okay, here's the 1974 R66. We're gonna go for a very, very cold start. Very cold, very unhappy, I am sure. Well, let's see what happens. Here, really the choke, right where it is, there. Hop on there because it's cool. Put this in here. Oh, like this. Check the power. Power is available. And now we're going to start the son of a gun, hopefully. Hold on. Turn it on. I did. Maybe she needs some choke. Now let's try it. Good old choke. Not bad. Sounds pretty good. Oops, too many parts. Sounds pretty good. A little rough around the gills, but good girl. That's it. She's ready.